Yeah, bottom out. Alright, you Kawasaki lovers, you guys were asking in the groups what our clutch kit does when you crawl. I've never been on this obstacle course. I don't know if it's just this easy or what, so let's do it. We got this thing in crawl mode. Well, way rougher than what it looks. I will tell you that. Way rougher. Kawasaki doors. Well, I'll tell you, the throttle control is really good with the clutch kit. Okay. What has this thing got going down here? I'd say this isn't a very hard course, but it does show you how controllable the throttle is in crawling mode with our clutch kit and the power that you do have. Now, let me take it out of that low mode. Give me a little bit more throttle. Let's see. After all, this thing's got some stickies on it. Oh yeah, even with power mode, very controllable with our clutch kit. I probably could have did that in high. Do it in high. Remember, we got 35s on this. We're going in high. We'll try this section in high for you. I want to be careful because I do not have a belly pan back here underneath that transmission. I gotta put one on. Not only does our clutch kit crawl, yeah, it also rips. So there's that. There you go. A stock KRX, stock tires, and then Laura's with 35s and our clutch kit. It just drove right over any of that, and I did the last portion of it in high just to see. Which that thing right there, you could deliver it to a battlefield in high gear. It'll go anywhere, like a tank. Right across the top of that, huh? Did it go right across the top?
It was streams going.
Trying to dry off.
Do you know how hard it is to trail ride fast with 32-inch mud tires? It's hard and it beats you to death.
It did. It skids like right across it.